Hi, I'm Kyle with Maverick Car Company, and today we're going to answer the question, how often should you service your AC? It's a good idea to have your AC checked every 2 years or as part of routine maintenance, just to see that all the pressures on your high and low side of your AC system are working correctly. If you notice a lack in performance in cooling, or if it's hot outside and you have no cooling at all, it's probably time to have it checked or serviced by a certified technician. Your car can idle pretty indefinitely, considering that all the operating conditions are correct with the car in other forms, so it's not overheating, it's not low on fluids or anything like that. You do just have to be aware that it does put off emissions into the environment. It's definitely not a good idea to run your car for too long if the conditions outside are, over 100 degrees, and again, condition of the car.